Are you looking for the settings app on your iPad and can't find it? Then this is definitely the right video for you. The good news is I can already tell you that your settings app is still there. And the reason for this is simply that you cannot delete the settings app. So it's just a matter of finding it and then putting it back on the home screen of your iPad. So let us do just that. First of all, swipe left and right and have a look if really there is no settings app anywhere here. Especially have a look at the last page, because what often happens is that the settings app slips into a specific folder. You can find these folders at the very end. And in my case here, you can actually see that the settings app is indeed located here. If that is the case from here, you can easily bring it back to the home screen. You can just long press on it and then tap on Add to Home Screen. You restore the settings app and it is back on your home screen on the iPad. Now, if even after this you still can't find your settings app, there is yet another foolproof way to find the settings app. And that is by swiping down from the middle of your iPad with one finger, and this will bring up this lovely search field on top. Then, with the help of the on-screen keyboard here, simply type in Settings. And just like that, we located the Settings app as well here. From here, you can directly access the features by tapping on it, or if you would like to add it back to your home screen, you can also just long press on it and then drag it back to the home screen. Just like that. And then once again, to stop these icons from shaking, just tap somewhere in the empty area of your iPad. And just like that, we brought back the settings app back to our home screen here on the iPad as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPad tutorials.